everyone, I am Prachi Jain, a trainer at Inzpira, and I have worked with one of India's leading banks as a senior relationship manager. But my love of academics has brought me towards this profession of teaching. And two things which I remember has always kept me sailing through my professional career are first, my extensive habit of self talking, and second is the self confidence that I have developed over these years. And it is required by every person in today's modern era. Whether it be a fresher who's starting their new job, whether it be an experienced person, or whether it be a person who wants to personally develop themselves. So, to gain more insights on the same and have a fun filled session with me, I invite you all to join us on 14th of this October, this Friday, to gain more insights on the importance of self-talk and self-confidence and to learn about the same. So, see you on the other side.